Today I'll be using epoxy again. It'll be a red peach epoxy, and I'm going to attempt to turn a bulb from these small branches my wife and I picked up the last time we were up in the canyons. So we'll see how it works out. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and let's get to it. Made it to the end, pretty happy with the outcome. Sanding was from 80 grit to 1000 grit, and then I used a fine rubbing compound or a polishing compound, and this is the end result. If you folks made it this far in the video, I really appreciate the support, and as always, thanks for watching.